Folks, we are looking at Imminent Redemption by Jane's Addiction, their new single, which is absolutely banging. Now we are in standard tuning, but you're going to need to get yourself a distortion pedal or an overdrive pedal. I'm using the Funny Little Boxes 1991 in Fetching Gold Sparkle. I'm also using a touch of chorus, so without chorus. You got that with chorus. Just helps it fatten up a little bit. I think that's what Dave uses. So that's all I'm using for this one. Let's crack on with the first riff. We are in 6/8, so it's 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 2 3 2 2 3. That vibe. There's some bass and drums at the beginning, and then Dave comes in with this 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3. So we've got a G power chord up here. And you're going to play 3. So 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 2 3. And then you do an open E. And you're just going to do a little dip and release. Ever so slightly, right? Again. Third time you do this. 1 2 3 4. The next part goes like that. So we've got a slide up to the 12th fret. That doesn't ring out, otherwise you're going to have this happen. You're not going to hear those upper notes, right? So you want to go and then, so 12th fret second string, 12th fret third string, open E. 10th fret. And a little slide on the last sort of 8th note, right? And then the last time we're going to add some natural harmonics like this. So we're going to do 5th fret on the 2nd and 3rd string, and then the 12th fret. And try not to leave your hands on the fretboard because you're going to mute what you're playing, right? Then we go to the 12th fret and we play this. So we're just playing 16th notes, right? But then you're going to bend the notes gradually. So you do 2 bars of this. And then you start bending the notes up slightly. And then you do a little slide down on the 12th fret. Okay, so we'd have... Then we're into the chorus, and there are loads of brilliant fills in the chorus. So we're going to go F, C, D. And then we start the fills. Lush, isn't it? So we've got... We play that slowly. So you've got the tab, but we're on the G string, 11th fret, and you want to slide up to it, and then the 10th fret on the next string down. Then the second time we play, and we go up to E. You can play it either here, so it's, or you can play it here. I think it's easier here because you do hear it bend that first time, which is easier than playing for me anyway. So I would go here. By the way, I'm playing 12, 11, 13. I've tabbed 7, 7, 8. Same notes though, and you've got And then no bend on that second one, right? So that's that one. If you struggle to get all the way back down to the F after to get there, a couple of things. If you leave your little finger there, it's in position already, right? And you can get to that chord easier. If you can't do it, don't worry. You could just play it up here. And you could play the C there. So that's what I would do there if you're struggling. Third time. So you've got slide to the 12th fret. Then we go to the E. Bend there on the 13th fret. Full step. Lush. Last time we have. And you just let that ring out. Again, you could play it here if you wanted to. Then we're into a little solo. Now, I think he's probably bending up both strings here, but you want to do a double stop. You got that going on, okay? So just bend both. And then you go into this. Lovely little run. So we have, again, double stop there, so we've got a hammer on. And then, and this little arpeggiation is cool. You go 12, 15, 14. You could actually flatten your first finger here. It might make it easier. And then you're going to do... So you're not a lot of movement, right? So, again, slowly. And then you slide down to the 7th fret and bend that up. Like that. Next verse, we've got some more cool stuff. Variation on the theme, basically. And then on the 9th fret, you've got this double stop thing into the slide, right? So it's 9th to 7th with a couple of whacks in between. And a little slide there. Once you get to the 7th fret, you count 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, slide. So, and then the second time, you just add in the 2 open strings there, B and E. Back into the chorus, we have some more lovely fills. That's brilliant. Again, that's the same, right? F, C, D. Then slide up to the 11th fret. I'm using my second finger. That's a half step bend. Lovely, isn't it? Second time. We go to this again. Slight difference is you've got 4 whacks at the end. You know, 16th notes. Third one's awesome too. And you're going to go up to the 10th fret. And you're going to play that. Same as this. Same thing he played there, right? Wonderful. Then again, 4th time. Into the sort of breakdown part, which is just bass and drums. And then Dave comes in with some octaves. These are all played on the A and the G. So you're going to be muting D string there with a bit of meat off your first finger. And we've got... Okay, that's the first time round. So we go 7th fret, 10 to 9, up to 12, up to 15, and then to 8. And you're going to play this. So the pattern really goes 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2. So okay, and then you repeat this around. Then it actually starts on this. I think it hangs there on the 14th fret then, and you repeat that 3 times. And then we just got the outro chorus, so some more lovely fills. We have... something like that. I'm not sure on this one at all, actually, because it's a little bit hidden in the mix. But I think you can do something similar with... I'm sure there's a slide there. So we've got... and then... like that. I think that's what he's playing there. And we have... and then again. So slowly... something along those lines. So the rhythm would be a little slide at the end. Third one. Probably my favourite. And then... so there you have it, folks. Brilliant tune. Hope you enjoyed learning it, and hopefully there's more to come from the Jane's Addiction camp very soon. See you soon.